our dear farmers and those that are prospective. I want to welcome you to this episode. Right beside me is one of our clients who is also a great person in the academia, Professor Kwesiga. She will speak about herself. We have been invited here as Menit Farms to give a professional hand in as far as changing strategies and improving areas around the goat value chain. And this is a family farm that has to span through generations. So basically creating structures and systems that will enable its sustainability. We are very glad that we are doing this, embarking on this venture, and we want to assure you of progress, and we shall give you subsequent updates about how we are progressing with this farm. I will invite her to give her journey and her inspiration and where we should expect this whole farm, giving a broader perspective, especially into research and innovation to make this a center of excellence. Thank you, and over to you, Professor.
Thank you very much. You are very welcome to this farm, and I do appreciate the hours we have spent together. They have been very educative, and so I look forward to more education in the future. We've been ordinary farmers, getting a few goats here, selling one or two, but not getting the profit that we require. So we have sought for help here so that we can enhance our income. This is a family project in Ntungamo, Chikoni Parish, Olubale Sale. And I'm Professor Kwesiga. When I'm not farming here, I'm Vice Chancellor Kawari University. But here, I'm hoping that this farm will be raised further, as I've been encouraged this group which has visited. We look forward for many benefits that we look forward to. One, we are hoping to improve our production and the quality of production. And we are looking at how we can be real goat breeders. We have visited farms of breeders, and we feel that this is an area where we should concentrate. And while we are doing that, we also want to encourage other people. As you can see, I'm a senior citizen, so I would like to have the younger generation also join in. I grew up looking after goats and all that, so that is normal for me, but that is a different type of herding. So there is that production on the one side and profit making, but there is also learning and teaching others. And we look forward to joining with the students, for instance, on internship. We look forward to working with the teachers, the academicians who are doing research, so that they can also improve their experiences and be able to create new knowledge and move on. And it is not only students, but also the young people who will be working on the farm. And we hope that we can also influence the community around us if we actually improve and they can see what we are doing. So being a model farm is something that we are aiming at. We are thinking of combining this with this agribusiness. We will enjoy farm products, and we can then not only get income, but also commune with the rest of the people. Because we are doing a small-scale irrigation, we hope to expand it. And as we do that, there are other products that may come in a mixed farm, because we also have fruits, especially in particular mangoes. We also have bananas and coffee. And of course, we produce foods for our own consumption, because we are quite a big group. The people who help on the farm, our families, we all need this food as we move on. So I'm happy that there is some encouragement, and I look forward to more developments, and I'm ending the day with enthusiasm. Okay, so now let me add this. I think apart from this farming, because of my other work, I also encourage young people to go into farming and also to go and study. Even the older group come to Cavalry University. We actually teach even the older citizens, different levels, short courses, long courses, but we have a very good young faculty of agriculture where the focus is on working and learning with the farmers. And this will be one of the areas that can benefit ordinary people. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Professor, for those words. And if you have not subscribed, if you have not checked out our content, kindly subscribe, and you'll get a lot of updates concerning this farm and as we develop strategies around and value addition on the other enterprises that Professor has highlighted. Thank you so much.